Meet PyRC2, the PI Subscription Smart Contract API. Think of it as a smart agreement on the Pi blockchain that lets businesses collect regular payments from you, just like a Netflix subscription, but decentralized. Here's the magic. Your Pi stays in your wallet until each payment is due. No locking up funds, no middlemen. You approve a subscription once, and the service can charge you at set intervals. Cancel anytime, instantly. It's fully decentralized and transparent. No banks, no central authority, just you and the service provider. The rules are coded, so no one can change them behind your back. PIRC2 is automated, non-custodial, and puts you in control. It's the missing piece for a thriving digital economy. Developers and entrepreneurs can start building with it right now. This isn't just an idea, it's live and ready. That's the brilliance of PIRC2. Subscriptions aren't new, but truly decentralized ones on blockchain? That's been a tough nut to crack until now. PIRC2 solves the problem of recurring payments without locking up your crypto or relying on a central authority. Previous blockchain attempts were clunky, requiring users to deposit funds for months in advance. Hardly user-friendly. With PIRC2, businesses get predictable revenue and users keep control of their funds. This unlocks sustainable Web3 businesses, just like mainstream digital giants run on subscriptions. Pi is now more than a cryptocurrency. It's a platform for real-world utility and mass adoption. This is the infrastructure Web3 needed to go mainstream. The revolution starts here. With Pi, Web3 just got practical. Let's compare. Traditional subscriptions mean handing over your credit card and trusting corporations with your data. Early Web3 attempts? Complicated wallets, volatile tokens, and locked-up funds? Too risky for most people. PIRC2 changes everything. Authorize once, and your funds stay in your wallet until payment is due. No central database, no middlemen, no unnecessary fees. Payments are direct, peer-to-peer, and secured by the PI blockchain. It's as easy as a credit card, but far more secure and empowering. Mass adoption means making subscriptions simple, safe, and accessible. PIRC2 removes costly intermediaries and gives you true ownership. This isn't just a new way to pay, it's a better way. The Pi way is for the people, by the people. That's real power. Now, let's talk real-world impact. Imagine subscribing to AI tools, SaaS platforms, or digital content, all with Pi, no bank required. Entrepreneurs can build global businesses, offering services to anyone in the Pi community. Local businesses can offer coffee subscriptions, farm deliveries, or yoga memberships, all with predictable Pi payments. Content creators can monetize directly, offering exclusive content to fans for a few Pi each month. This empowers creators and small businesses, cutting out middlemen and high fees. PIRC2 opens doors for global commerce and the creative economy. The future of subscriptions is here, and it's powered by Pi. So, what does this mean for your Pi? Utility creates value. A currency is only as strong as what you can do with it. PIRC2 turns Pi into an engine for real commerce, not just speculation. Every subscription paid in Pi generates real economic activity and demand. As more businesses offer services, the need for Pi grows, strengthening its value. The global consensus value, GCV, of Pi becomes grounded in real-world utility. More services and users create a feedback loop, reinforcing Pi's worth. This is how a stable, thriving digital economy is built. Pi RC2 is the catalyst for this transformation. The Pi ecosystem is ready to grow. Are you? The passive days of just collecting Pi are over. Now is the time to build, create, and participate in the Pi economy. Developers, start building dApps and services using the subscription API. Business owners, integrate Pi subscriptions and tap into a global customer base. Not a techie? Be the first customer, give feedback, and spread the word. The value of Pi comes from real businesses and real transactions. The opportunity is massive. Don't just watch, get involved. The active phase is where the magic happens. Let's turn potential into reality. The Pi economy needs you. This is your moment, pioneers, developers, entrepreneurs, community leaders, everyone. The PIRC2 API is ready. Start building the next big thing. Entrepreneurs, design subscription packages and reach millions. Community leaders, spread the word and connect people. This is a bottom-up movement. The Pi economy's success depends on us all. Your creativity and passion will shape the future. We have the engine. Now let's build the car and drive it. What will you create? What service will you launch? The time for action is now. Let's build real value in our ecosystem. The future of Pi is in our hands. Today isn't just a technical update, it's the birth of a new economic era. Pi's vision of a peer-to-peer inclusive economy is becoming reality with Pi RC2. Every new service and subscription strengthens our digital nation. Share your ideas, collaborate, and inspire others. The more we build, the stronger our economy becomes. This is an open invitation to shape the future of commerce together. The tools and opportunity are here. Let's seize them. Thank you for being part of this journey. Now go share the news. The world is ready for Pi.